Hi, my name is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and this is part 2 of the video where we are looking at the outside condenser that is running the 3-zone ductless split system we put in. Like I said, we put in a 1.5 ton cassette ceiling grill. We put in two 9,000 BTU high wall fan coils as well. This particular condenser is 23 SEER. It's a heat pump. It does both heat and cooling. This unit can actually do up to 4 zones. So if they would like to add another zone later, another either cassette or a high wall fan coil, they can do so. Right now it is running full out with all 3 systems, and you can see the fan right here is very, very quiet. This is a Carrier unit. This is a 2.5 ton heat pump condenser for a 3-zone system, but can do up to 4 zones. We also did the electrical on this, so you can see the disconnect and the electrical coming out of the panel, and we ran the refrigerant lines low across the house and up, and this one goes to the back of the master bedroom's high wall fan coil. Over here we ran more refrigerant lines this way, and they go up the wall. This one goes to the office right here, and as you can see, the drain goes right out the bottom. And then this particular unit is for the living room, dining room, kitchen area. It runs up, and the refrigerant lines run through the attic to that coil, to the cassette fan coil in that room. And there's the unit again. We put it on a pad, we strap it down. Very, very quiet unit. These are actually down to 27 decibels. As you can see, they're very slim and they fit nicely in side yards. If you have any more questions, you can call me, Nick Albert, at Albert Air at 714-526-6368. Thank you.